Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see mealtime. So in mealtime.py, implement a program that prompts the user for the time and outputs whether it is a breakfast time, lunch time or dinner time. They have also said us what is the format of the time should be, and also so this is the only format which the user will input, and we are also going to include the end times also, like from 7 to 8 means it is going to include 7 o'clock till 8 o'clock. Okay, and yeah, they have also given us some hint that we are going to convert the time such that it is going to write 7:30 means 7.5 floating number it should be converted. And yeah, so they have given us some format, like we are going to have two functions here. One is main function, another one is convert function. In our convert function we are going to have a parameter called as time, which is in which we will be passing the time which is set by the user as the parameter here, and we are going to output a float value which is going to be the converted time. For instance, 7:30 means 7.5 will be returned at the end of this function. So this is the format they have given for us, and yeah, let us start writing the code. First we can copy this format so that we can implement the same format easily. I have already created a file for our meal, and yeah, it's okay. We have copied the file successfully. Now what we are going to do is in our hint. So let us check the hint. What is the hint they are set so that it will be easy for us. So yeah, they are saying us to split the hours and minutes with the help of split, and yeah, it will be easy. And they have said us to keep in mind that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay, let us start and see where will the hint be worked by. So yeah, first we are going to ask the user the time. So t is equal to input, enter the time. So we are asking input to the user regarding the time. After the input, what we are going to do is we are going to pass this particular input inside our program. So what we are going to do, we are going to call the function and pass the t inside this function. So this particular program will call this particular function, and here time is the parameter. Now we are going to convert split our time from hours and minutes. So at this particular time this program will be helpful, so we can use this particular hint here. Yeah, so hours and minutes we are splitting. After this, okay, so they have given us a hint that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, correct? So if we want to convert the minutes into float, what we are going to do is we are going to write minutes is equal to, so this minutes will be in string. So first I will convert it to integer of minutes. So I am converting this into integer. After that I will divide it by 60. So what will happen here is, if I am dividing this by 60, so 30 minutes means 30 divided by 60 is equal to 0.5. So the actual answer we will be getting here. So this, like, we can just make the conversion available. After that what we are going to do is we are going to see the total time, like 7:30 means 7.5 should be given, right? For that what we are going to do is we are going to write total time is equal to, so hours is already there for us, so hour integer of hours or a floating point of hours. Okay, you can write int itself, integer of hours, and then so 7 will be coming like that. After that we already have 0.5 in min, so I am adding that plus min. So what will this do? 7 we already have in our hours variable, and then this 30 will be converted here to 0.5, so that will be added. So total time is equal to, we are making the addition here. Now we need to return our total time so that it will be used in our main program. So return total time. Okay, now it is easy. So we have returned the function, but here we did not assign the value to any variable, so we are going to assign here. So converter time is equal to this one. Okay, now we have the converter time here. Now it's time for writing our variables. Yeah, so let us start writing. So I can make multiple cursors, I guess, now, so that it will be easy for me. Okay, 1 second. Here. Okay, let me have 4 cursors. Now I am going to write my if statement. If converter time is greater than or equal to some time. This will change for every case, right? So I will leave that. And converter time is less than or equal to some time. Okay, so this is going to be our format. What am I going to do here? So the time alone will be changing here. So I will put the colon here. Then what will I do? I will print. So whatever I am going to print is going to be within this double quotes. Yeah. So let us fill this column. If converter time is greater than or equal to, so let us see the condition here. 7. Greater than or equal to 7 means I am going to write it as breakfast time. Okay, greater than or equal to 7.0 and less than or equal to 8.0. I am going to write here breakfast time. Okay, after that for the lunch time it is going to be 12 to 13. The converter time is equal to 12.0 and 13.0. I am going to write here lunch time. What is the dinner time? Dinner time is 18 to 19. 18.0 and count time is less than or equal to 19.0. I am going to write here as dinner time. Okay, so anything other than that we are not going to do anything here. So this is a program. Yeah, so it's nice for breakfast. Everything we have written, I guess. Yeah, so let us check this particular program with the help of a check 350. Okay, let us see if we are getting all greens. So here, before that, what I was supposed to say here is, if we can also use the if statement alone, or elif also we can use, because else is not compulsory in our if statements with respect to Python. Okay, you can also write elif, then also the code will be working fine. We have got all greens, and yeah, I'm going to submit the program and see you in the next video. Don't forget the drill to submit the program and then check in your grade sheet whether it is updated. Bye bye.